obvious naman itong ginawa ng tanggapan ng Pangulo na isumbong sa Pangulo, mukha pong noon pa po ito talaga sinimulan even before SONA, no? And then sa SONA, natanong ko nga po kayo kung nabasa niyo po ito at alam niyo in advance, sa SONA po talaga, klarong-klaro rin po doon yung kanyang paglalahad ng kanyang frustration sa mga flood control projects particularly. Kaya nga may mga may mga mahiya naman kayo ng mga salita. And then sabi niya, yung paglalahad, yung public participation, mukhang talaga pong ito po yung nakaplano na. Nangangahulugan ba, Sec, na even before SONA, kayo mismo ni Presidente nagkausap na dito ng masinsinan?
Yes, po.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, po, because we've been talking actually on the impact of the budget of the department with all the new items that had been inserted in the 2025 budget. This is the biggest insertion of projects actually in the 3 years of this administration. Of course, there has been also several insertions, substantial amount din po yung nangyayari from the first budget and second budget, and this third budget is the biggest. So the detriment of the core program of the department, I could say.
Opo. So
that's why I had to bring it up to the president kung anong situation ito, and that is why he withhold all the release of the new items initially po. Initially, and that is why he vetoed. He vetoed, I think, about 26 billion out of those newly inserted projects. Many of them are actually flood control projects. So,
okay.
To put the record straight.
Opo, to put the record straight, sabi nga ni Secretary. So Sec, totoo palang balita na during the election period, hindi nagpa-release ng SARO si Presidente sa mga congressman because of this.
Well, na-release po yung net nila. Na-release net nila, but the inserted amount, hindi po.
Okay. So nangangahulugan talaga, even way before the SONA, alam na po ng Presidente itong mga kalokohan na ito na nangyayari sa mga inserted flood control projects?
I'm sure, yes po.
And then kaya po, ngayon, ito ho na, sumabog na ito, ang laki-laki pala ng problema. Sec, lalong lumalaki.
Yun nga. And the President is very concerned about it, and that is why he is taking a hands-on on the 26 budget.
Opo.